Okay, this is just a little bit of an intro before the intro, because I just wanted to say a few things really quick. Um, um, the YouTube channel has been doing fucking actually kind of amazing considering the fact that I don't promote it at all. And I don't have it open here, but I think like 15 or 14 subscribers. And like some of my videos are getting hundreds of views. Um, and people are commenting, and I just want to appreciate and say thank you to everybody who's doing so, who's taking the time and actually watching these. And I hope you're learning something from it, because that's the goal. The goal of this YouTube channel is for everybody involved to learn how to fucking trade. I'll help you, you help me. So if you do have anything to say, please leave a comment. I read all my comments. I mean, there's only like fucking three of them. But regardless of if there's a thousand, I'm gonna be honest, it's not much. But like anything below like 100 comments, maybe I'll read every single one. The point of what I'm saying is I'll read your comments and I respond to them. Um, so you know, just want to say thank you guys for all the comments, the likes, fucking views, the subscribers. Thank you. Um, so yeah, this is the intro before the intro. So we're gonna get into the actual intro where I actually talk about the market. Hi everybody, good morning. It's Monday, January 13th. Um, yeah. I just want to point out that ES is pretty fucking close to these lows. Like we're gonna hit those lows relatively soon. And NQ, we still got 400 fucking points to go from this same low. And we got two options. Either NQ is gonna dump to this, to these lows like ES, or we're gonna create an S&T and hold it. And this might be, the start of a some type of reversal. But I mean, we've been bearish. I don't know where we're gonna go. But I did just want to point out that ES is really close to these lows, and on NQ we still got a little ways to go. Um, Anything on the 4 hour? Not necessarily. I mean, you really kind of have to look back here. And I feel like at that point, we're just going to tank. So I'm going to say my bias is short. I don't know why you would long. There's no shit here until like maybe down here. Until we get down here, I would not be comfortable longing. So if we scale in a little bit, we have this 1 hour that we're respecting and it's causing us to go lower. Let me mark out the same lows on, on this. So we um have that low. And then this low, which is pretty close. And then fucking 150 points. That's a little excessive. I should be looking at price right now, but maybe we could mark out there and like this area. I'm not gonna mark out every single line or every single fucking low, but and that is so fucking close it doesn't even matter. When it comes to TPs, I would say those are TPs. Let me actually scale it now and see what the hell is going on. So my bias is short. Price has been pretty fucking, bearish. Asian in London, we just went down. The end of I combine Asian and London. The end of London, we kind of manipulated higher, and then we're continuing down. If I'm gonna short, what do I want to short off of? I don't know. maybe manipulate and come up and sweep out um, over here and then go. Holy shit. Is there news today? I need to check. This one candle was 60 points. God damn, bitch. God damn. Whoopsie. Dude, someone just lost 42% on a Bitcoin fucking thing? Can I see Nasdaq? I only see gold. Oh, here's the Dow Jones. That's Dow Jones, though. I don't see any Nasdaq. Smoking on that gas pack. Shout out TJ. January return is 600%. Who the fuck is this? How do I? He trades Bitcoin and gold. Damn. Is this some fucking random guy? There's a live account on MetaTrader. You can see his broker and account. Max leverage. Holy shit. His return is 8.5%. Annualized returns 1,000. His average trade pips is 4.1. What? Average trade duration's 1,000 weeks. This shit's like fuck. His win rate's 40%. He keeps his wins really big and his losses small. All right, back to what the fuck I was looking at, dude. Today's Monday. We have no news. It's a no news Monday. Uh oh. Federal budget balance. That seems kind of big. This week is pretty heavy for news. Um, so I'm just kind of chilling. I'm kind of just in like a dead man zone. I feel like. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna resume this when I don't know when fucking something happens. I turned the webcam off, but I'm thinking and I'm thinking and I'm thinking, and we might have something here. I am not gonna lie. I could wait for a better conf. I could wait for more confluence. What I could do is just go in with less sides and whoa. You could be in this right now. On the 15-minute, we swept out all these highs, right? And we tapped into a 15-minute on the left. We inversed this 2-minute and filled it in. So the trade would look something like this. I don't really know what you could target. Maybe even these lows for a little bit, and so on. But I think if you want to wait, like a CISD change in the state of delivery would be a close below here. I'm pretty sure. I still gotta actually kind of learn. I'm just going off of um, whatever before. There's also a 3-minute here. But a change in the state of delivery would be a close below here. If we close down there and then tap into an IFEG or a 1 minute fair value gap, I will enter. My bias is short. We manipulated higher. Yeah. stopped out a lot of people probably. Filled in a 15-minute. Inverse is 3 minute. Is this a an SMT? I think you could call it one. 'Cause I think you could say that this is an SMT. You know, this high and this high. Let's see if we end up. Let's see if we end up getting it. If we close below this blue line, and we did. Now I need a fair value gap. And there's one here. And there's also one up there. There's probably a 3 minute one. Yeah. Let's get ready because I might. We might have something. I would go in here with normal size. How many contracts? Who knows? I could enter now with a few. I would have loved to enter here because then your stop is still like 30 points. I'm currently waiting. I don't really know what I'm waiting for though. Oh, I'm waiting to see if we could fill this fair value gap more, so I get a better fill. Because if I get something like this, then that's a lot better than having a 30-point stop loss. That's the only reason. And maybe we just run through this. You could short right now. I don't want to just short though, because we seem to be running through it. And there's actually a little 1 minute here that we're respect. Not on the. Kind of. So let's see if we can end up going down. And I could put my stop at like that. But let's see. I didn't take the thing as soon as you entered. You could have took this 2 minute though, and I definitely would have taken profit because this is fucking 45 points, you know. But we seem to kind of be running through it, so I'm still waiting. I guess you can call this order like an order block right here or something. And we kind of came within it, and then I'm getting the reaction out. Oh, swerving, it should never happen. Alright, I'm gonna come back. I'm not gonna just sit here, but I'm gonna see if I take anything. I mean, it's a no news Monday, so like, we'll see. Guys, alright, you might have something here. We have a 3 minute fair value gap, 2 minute everything, a 1 minute scale down to a 30 second. And we have an inversion here. I'm not gonna. You would have entered right here and been up immediately 20 fucking points. Maybe we're gonna get a 30-second fair value gap. We gotta see. Enter off there. Stops. That's only 9 points. Guys, this is the. I don't know. I looked at the 30-second, like right here, and I started the video. I could have got in. Probably. I'm gonna blame this on you guys. Fuck you guys. No, I'm joking. But I could have got in like right here because I saw that we inversed it, and I would have put my stop above here. And I saw this, but I resumed my video, and we are fucking tanking. At least my bias was right in my analysis. I just didn't click the fucking sell button, you know? Oh, I'm gonna kill myself because every fucking day I would have taken this. Well, I told you guys what I wanted to see, and what I saw happened. I just didn't fucking enter. Like, why did I... Shit like that pisses me off. And I'm like missing out on it. It's not right to think about that, but I should have just clicked short and then the video. Oh my god. So why am I still fucking sitting here? Because the shit's happening already and I missed it. I mean, I don't really know. I don't think price will come back up here, but maybe you could enter off this. I don't know because we could hit this one. But I mean, if you enter there, you can stop there. But I mean, to be fair, we might move anywhere within here. It's just we gotta see. But we didn't even hit this 1 minute one yet, so next targets are down there. If you guys took this on your own, you would have entered here. First TP could have been here for 33 points, and then here for 50, and then down there for 90, and then so on. That was the moment to enter, guys. If I just enter off a fair value gap now, I'm just kind of chasing price down. You know, I'm just chasing price down. But at least I was correct. I just need to click the fucking button, man. I'm gonna come back because I'm just fucking sitting here now. I'll come back when I take a trade, I guess. Guys, I took a trade. It's about to hit TP. Scaling out, we swept out all these highs again. We filled in a 15-minute fair value gap. Like we're still like sweeping out highs, and then we're respecting a 15-minute fair value gap. We had this 5-minute inverse, and we tapped back into it, and I entered. I entered it a little bit too low, though, I will say. 5 points. Um, if we hit once we hit this, I'm going break even, like we just fucking did, and I'm gonna see where this bitch wants to go because I'm thinking that we might run through this fair value gap here. I don't know where we're gonna go, but I'm break even, and I'm up 400 bucks today, bringing my account balance back. Um, but I entered this trade because I was looking for shorts the whole day today. We saw this move up, and I was like, all right, fuck it. We're in dead man's zone or dead man's land. I think I said that on stream or on video, and my computer's dying. And I said, or I didn't know if I said this, but I thought I'm just gonna come back later. I'm gonna come back, do whatever. Right? So that's what I did. Um, a little bit above. Um, but I was looking at price and I saw us kind of slow down. Like we always launched up, right? But I saw us around here and we start to hesitate, and then we had a nice sell off and another sell off and then another sell off. Wait a minute, we might have something here. So I'm looking at the time frames and I'm thinking, because I saw a dodgy post on Twitter that was like, I need to keep this in mind because if I end up getting to like 50 points and shit like that, I will be selling. Okay, this is what we're at right now. Like I could sell some here, limit buy for, I don't know, fuck it, two there, and then maybe some down here, limit buy for three, like down here. Um, that'll be 44 times 2 times 2. I think that'll be 320 bucks. Or am I high? 44 times 2 is 8. Oh no, it'll be 160. But so I think I explained why I took this. I mean, we were extremely bullish after being, I wanted to be bearish. I think we finally had a setup as we swept out all, like, well, not all these lows, but this low and then these low. Actually, we already swept those out. We did have a liquidity sweep, right? And we filled in an imbalance on the left. And I just saw that we had this 5 minute. And my plan was to take this short if and when the 5 minute inversed this gap. Once we inverse this bullish fair value gap and traded back within it, as long as we haven't tapped into this one yet. If we tapped into this 5 minute, if we inverse this 5 minute, right? But we were coming from this 5 minute. So like if we came back down, tapped this, came back up, but we still managed to close below this gap, I don't really think I would have taken the short, or maybe I would have just with less size. Um, because price may reverse and go higher from this 5 minute gap. I only took this because we have not, because we were yet to hit this point, and this was my main TP, which is why I took off most of my position here. For I think this was like 20 something points. I think it was like 20 exactly. Um, 20, yeah, it was like 20 something points. So that's why I took it. I should have entered right on as soon as we tapped it, but I didn't. But that's why I took it. We inverse this 5 minute, tap back into it, while also not tapping into this one yet. But I'm just gonna take what price gives me and not hold for that long. Order. All right, order filled. We're keeping this going. Final TPs are down here. Let me actually do this. Limit buy for one. Kind of want to do like around here. And then I could do a limit buy for two here. That's what I want. But I think you would have to be really fucking stupid to not take these shorts up here. I think if you were looking at the market and you were looking for shorts, you took that. So yeah, I'm gonna come back um whenever this trade's finished. Like I'm gonna go and walk away from my fucking computer and do whatever the hell I want. I don't really know if I'm gonna take another trade. I should just lock in. I mean, maybe for the practice, I will, like on the combine or something. But I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna come back probably in like 30 minutes. All right, everybody, we're back. I just wanna go over the the one trade that we took. I said before that if I saw something, I would take another trade. But not gonna lie, if you just look, if you scale out, we've just been trading sideways on the 15-minute and the 30-minute and the hour. Like, this is really ugly. Look at this. So I'm just gonna call it a day here. I took the one short trade from over here. I took this short over here. I can tell you exactly where I entered. I entered right here, shorted, and I caught this move down. Um, and I got stopped out at this. I had this 15-minute fair value gap here, and I had my stops like I think like right here, and I got stopped out. So I ended the day up about 900 bucks. So it was a good day overall. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I just wanted to give you an update on the trade. Tomorrow we have PPI at 8:30. Overall, it was a good day. Tomorrow, it's just another day tomorrow. Um, but I do have a goal for trading at the end of this week. I think I think a $4,000 payout is very possible, as well as passing my two other challenge accounts. I have a $4,000. Shit, what am I gonna do with that? Fucking, I don't know. I want to invest like 1,000 too, probably. Maybe a little less. I don't know. I gotta buy. I gotta taxes. Guys, if you does anybody know how taxes are gonna work? Because I think I'm gonna get taxed short-term capital gains, which is like fucking 40%. But you have to make a certain amount to even be like considered. And I think the amount you have to make is like 10, 15,000 a year. I don't think it's that high, which I'm fucking at that point. So I don't know. Um, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Ooh, I'm gonna stop recording this. This is the outro. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, but I'm gonna record something and put it in the front.